Let's face it, good bait is not cheap. It's also true that lively baits catch way more fish than half-dead ones. That's why the bait care experts at Frabill have developed a better bait cooler, the new Magnum Bait Station. The Magnum Bait Station features a heavy-duty injection-molded base with 1 full inch of commercial-grade insulation to maintain optimal water temperature, and its 2-speed aeration system is built right into the cover of the unit, so it's protected and out of the way. And you can power it with a couple D-size batteries, or with the included 12-volt plug. Inside, there's an integrated net that makes it easy to access stored baits. And its rust-proof composite latches are strong and durable, and a sturdy handle and shoulder strap make the unit easy to carry. Available in 2 sizes, 13-quart and spacious 19-quart. The new Magnum Bait Station, because it pays to care for your bait. Frabill, trusted gear since 1938.